Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry some naked wings. I've already rinsed them off. I didn't cut them. So I'm going to, I'll put them in here so they can drain. And pour them in my big bowl. And I'm towel blot them. Okay, let me show you what seasonings I'm going to put on them. Well, I'll lower the tripod so y'all can see. But right now I'm drying a couple paper towels. And I didn't cut the tip off. These are small wings. And these wings look very, very healthy and fresh. As opposed to them big wings, I have to cut the tips off because some of them look like they've been in a barnyard fight. And I don't want to eat that. Now I will actually nibble on these wing tips. Okay. So I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Will y'all be able to see? No. Okay, here are the wings. Start with some yellow mustard. Nice squirt. And the wings will not taste like mustard. Try it, you'll like it. Even people who hate mustard, they like this. I'm using some rotisserie chicken seasoning by McCormick. This has salt in it. I'm going to use some jollof rice seasoning. This is so good, y'all. I didn't know I would love it this much. I bought it to make jollof rice. Okay, this is spicy. That's good. I'm going to put some paprika. Smoked paprika. Did y'all see that lady on the internet? I forgot her first name. Her last name was Patton. She was frying some chicken. Lord have mercy. Y'all got to... I think she started out on Instagram, posting herself frying chicken. And now she's all on YouTube. You can go to YouTube and put in, what's her name? Patton. I don't know. Well, Patton, she was a Robin Thicke's wife. Put in this woman frying chicken, and her video will pop up. Lord have mercy. Okay, I'm gonna put on a glove. Get a rubber band. I'm not gonna air fry all these wings either. Put these in. I'm using my CruxGG 9-quart Trizone air fryer. Forgot what I was doing. All these scammers keep calling. Yeah, Walter back there, he can answer. Okay, this is the way it looks. And you notice I don't have no oil. with naked wings, you don't have to add oil. Because Booger 500 told me that if the chicken has skin on it and is naked, then the skin will make its own oil. So you don't have to add oil. I tried it and it works. Now if you braid it, then you need your oil. If you have skinless chicken, sometimes you buy boneless, skinless thighs or breasts, you need some kind of oil or some kind of coating. Trying to evenly coat each piece. About the mustard that I put on here. For one, the mustard, it has vinegar in it, and that helps tenderize. And it has turmeric in it, which is good for you. If you got aches and pains, your knees hurt and stuff like that, it's good for you. And the mustard actually helps the seasoning to stick on there better. Okay, these are well seasoned. Oh, that one was light. It was white. Okay. Don't need any oil. Look how little these wings are. Well, they're normal size because I've been getting them big ones. So I'm just going to put them in here. Like I said, I lift the tip on. So I'll be back when they're all in here. Well, all that I'm going to fix. Okay, I'll be back. This is how the wings look in here. Pull it out from the wall. Dual mode. I want both sides to cook. Air fry. 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Right side. Air fry. 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Start. Okay? So let it do what it do. I'll be back. Okay, this just baked. Cooked at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And these are tiny wings. Okay. That's how they look. Yeah. No oil. Okay, let me fix my plate. I'll be back. Well, let me see the other side. These are little bitty wings. Let's see the other side. Ain't it crispy? The other side ain't brown. But that's okay. The top side is nice and brown and crispy. Okay, fix my plate. Just gotta add the chicken, y'all. Look at bread here. Y'all don't see what I'm doing. I'm not going to put these on a platter. I'm just putting it back in here. And get some sauce. See if this Carol's mild sauce tastes like what they sell you in the restaurant. Nope. Nope, no, it's not the same. They say refrigerated after. That's right, y'all want to see me eat a piece of chicken. So let me take a thumbnail. I'm getting another wing. So here's my dinner. It's 4:45 p.m. Give me a nice salad, corn, and my chicken with mild sauce. I need a thumbnail. Zoom out. Okay. This is how this looks. No oil. And if I wanted both sides nice and brown, I could have flipped them, but I didn't flip them. Okay, I broke off a piece of a wing. Did y'all hear the crispiness? Y'all hear that? Rotisserie chicken seasoning plus the jollof rice seasoning on here. That's a good combination, y'all. Woo! So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, a greasy thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit. This is good. I ain't buying no more of this Harold's sauce. This does not taste like what they serve on your chicken in Harold's Chicken Shack. It ain't the same. I'm disappointed. Let me taste this again. No. It's more tomato-y. No. I'm going to put another barbecue sauce on it. I'm disappointed. Okay, let me go. Let me stop being bad for business. Their business. Okay. I'm gone for real now. Bon appetit.